gas gauge went up. Gas gauge went up, temperature went up. Yips. Right. Now do the windows. That window. Up. Down. That window. Down. Up. Other window, mine. Up. Down. Back window. Hold on, let me find it there.
Yeah, good.
Tilt wheel. Tilt wheel.
Okay, radio.
Radio.
Air.
It's essentially like an air guitar. It's air sax.
Shut that off so we can hear the air. Oh, there we go.
You can hear it almost coming out.
Yeah.
Let me show a piece of paper. See what the.
Oh,
Hold on. A piece of paper. You ready? Still
Yeah.
recording? All right. Let me lower it down. Do a head up here. See it moving?
yeah.
All right. Now we'll go down here. It's not moving, right? I'll put on vent. There it is.
Yeah.
See the vent working?
Nice.
Well, this way you can see that it's working.
Yeah.
Now watch, when I shut it off, the paper will go down.
It's moving because of the engine.
But now watch, I put it back on.
Yeah.
See it? You can feel it.
All
Even if I
right.
put this down, it's still gonna lift. Watch. Hold on, ready?
Got it. Now let's do
Oh, I just
those.
want to show them over here too. This one works. Hold it down. See it pushing up?
Yeah.
Now watch, I do that, it falls.
Yeah.
So the vents work. You see it's cold.